while we work on making pizzas. Now, in order to make a pizza properly, right? Everybody remembers that from Sesame Street. So what we're gonna do first, lay out some boards, and I brought some lovely assistants out to help me. I have lovely Kinsey and Maya. Why don't you girls come on in and show us how to roll out this dough. So take a half a bag of dough. You're gonna wanna flour this real good. Of course, the beauty of pizza is it can be whatever anybody wants it to be, right? So it can be extra cheesy or extra saucy or, Maya, we forgot the sauce. Excuse me, I'm going to get sauce. I don't think it's important that it be shaped like a pizza. These are rustic pizzas. They can be anything you want them to be. So we've got our dough rolled out here at this point, and lots of flour. You want to make sure it doesn't stick to the board so I can take it off and get it on the grill. Next step, of course, to put on your pizza sauce. And you could make your own sauce, but I'm way too lazy for that. So we buy the sauce, and I like to use one of these flatter spatulas, just kind of even it out and get it all the way around the pizza. Maybe just a little bit more over here. Okay. And then we're all set. So next thing I'm gonna do is add all my and all the things that I want to put on this particular pizza. In this case, I'm going to start with some garlic. A little bit of roasted garlic on the pizza. I've got some pepperonis. Would you pass those pepperonis, please? Yeah, gonna have to have some pepperonis on this pizza. Here we go. All right, and some of those sausages, please. These are just chicken apple sausages. And I'm going to add some fresh tomatoes from our garden. They're all cherry tomatoes, been sliced in half. A little easier to cook them on the dome grill. And then I've got some olives. And we brought in several different types of cheeses to use on the pizza. This is mozzarella, and going to add to that some Parmesan. Basil from our garden. I kind of like a little bit of basil in there. That's kind of nice. And boy, I've got a couple of these jalapenos. These are also fresh from the garden. I'm going to be careful with these. They're pretty hot. But I do like some of those peppers. All right, some peppers. And that one is ready to go. So pizzas are fun to cook for the whole family. It kind of creates a little event. I like doing it outdoors because cleanup is so easy, right? When we're all done here, we'll just roll this up, throw it away, and I can hose everything down. A little different than indoors where I can't really, oh. That's a June beetle. So I love cooking pizzas outdoors. It's really easy to clean up. It's great for the whole family. It's a lot of fun. It creates more of an event. This June beetle won't go away. June beetles love pizza. Not a lot of people know that. You know, I love cooking pizzas outdoors. It's a lot of fun. It's a great family event, kind of becomes a whole thing we can do together. We can do it with our friends, we can do it with our family. Everybody gets exactly what they want. I can deal with the different dietary restrictions of each of the members that have come to visit with us. It's fun for entertaining. It's fun for everything, and outdoors it's just so easy to clean up. I can roll everything up, throw it away, and hose it down, which I just can't hose down indoors. And there we have it. It's been about 7 minutes. This is probably ready to pull off here. Crust seems about right. Cheese is boiling. Tomatoes look good. I'm gonna pull this off so I don't burn it. And that's just a 1 scoop off, and here we go. Let that cool and cut it. So much fun. Yeah, it only takes about 6 minutes per pizza, and you can do usually 2 at a time on an extra large dome grill. You don't have to wait 30 minutes for the pizza guy.